friends, here's your homework for the week. This says, this is how I write my name. Way back in the fall, you had another paper that you wrote your name on, and now this one's just a little bit shorter to compare how you wrote your name back in the fall to how you do it now. The children should do this just to have a comparison on how they write their name now compared to how they wrote it in the fall, and also to compare it how they write it in the future. So the children need to do this all by themselves. Even if their name doesn't come out exactly how you want it, it's important for them to write it. And here is their spring self-portrait, and it's important again for the children to do this by themselves, so to compare how it was in the fall to how it is now, and then again how it will be in the future. So please let the kids do this one also by themselves. Please send both of these back to me as your homework. Bye, friends.